Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? I wanted to take a second to thank all of my viewers and subscribers. We're quickly approaching 100,000 subs, and I wouldn't be making these videos without the support of all of you. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about a rare and expensive dime I saw in an online news article by Fox. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video to find out the insane price this dime sold for and why it's considered the best story coin in all of numismatics. Barber dimes were minted in San Francisco, Denver, Philadelphia, and New Orleans. The Barber dime is named after the cheap engraver Charles E. Barber. It's also known as the Liberty Head dime. There were almost 2.5 million Barber dimes minted in 1893, and there were plans for another year of substantial mintage planned for 1894, but things didn't quite turn out as expected. There was a concern about long-lasting economic recession, and there wasn't much of a need for dimes in 1894. As a result, there were only 24 dimes minted in San Francisco in 1894. Some of these dimes were destroyed to test the metal composition, and only 19 of these dimes actually made it into circulation. Why was there such a low mintage? We don't know for sure, but there are some theories. One theory is that the dimes were minted as a test run for the dies, but there's no evidence to support this theory. Another theory is that these 24 dimes were created for assay purposes, which means that they were created in order to analyze the chemical composition. But this theory also lacks confirmation. The most likely explanation for the 24 coin mintage is that a small amount of coin bullion was left over and it was used. This resulted in a run of the 24 1894 S Barber dimes, and there wasn't a need to mint any more of them. So are these proof coins or business strike? Only one set of dies were used to mint these coins, and although they are graded as proof or branch mint proofs, there's no indication from the dies or planchets that there was any extra polishing of the dies or the normal die preparation you would expect to see for proof coins. This is an 1894 Barber dime. It was minted in San Francisco, as you can see by the mint mark, which is located on the back of the coin at the bottom. The 1894 S Barber dime is a coin collector's dream, but there were only 9, possibly only 8 of these precious treasures known to exist today. This coin generally sells for over $1 million, but there are reports of private sales for the 1894 S Barber dime for over $2 million. This dime is made of 90% silver and 10% copper. Despite the toning on this dime, it's a really nice, bold strike. It's hard for me to believe that something like this can be so sought after and valuable. This 1894 San Francisco minted Barber dime is only one of 24 minted, and only one of 19 put into circulation, and one of 9 known to exist to this day. It graded proof 66 BM on a scale from 1 to 70. The BM next to the grade stands for branch mint. Up until the mid-1960s, almost all proof coins were minted in Philadelphia. PCGS uses this designation for older proof coins that weren't struck in Philadelphia. This extremely rare dime sold at heritage auctions for $1,997,500. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.